that shit so dead. Remind the bitch that she ain't nothing but a chicken head. Yeah, I beef with niggas, but first off, I'ma get my chicken. Why the fuck you flexing 10K, nigga? We done spent it. Pistol to his face, give it up, I bet he gon' listen. Rapping about that life, but we all know that he don't live it. Up this big bitch and let it blow till it keep on clicking. Hit the work, my friend said it was raw, so I keep on hitting it. Took too long to pay a nigga back, I'ma need more. The only way, I'm going to the club if I can sneak my blick in. You might conduct this 40 bullets, said no way you ducking K rounds. Really hit the road, I had them bows on the Greyhound. Aiming for his top, took his soul, left him face down. I can't say too much, niggas working with the Jakes now. Cuz used to be real, them sucker niggas got them snaked out. Last thing he heard when we slid is how this Drake sound. We can't trap in here, just stash to work, this my safe house. Boy, either get down with the gang or you gon' lay down. Old backseat motherfucker, stick him up for everything cause he a flashy motherfucker. Wine glass and high tech hood, classy motherfucker. I get love from the plug, usually tax a motherfucker. Shit, just to pay, little nigga. You didn't get it out the mud, you had it made, little nigga. My little cuz gon' really slide cause he a brave, little nigga. If you ain't stepping on this side, get out the way, little nigga. If you ain't gang or tied in, you can drop dead. Say I'm broke, but I could drop 10 on the op head. Let me get that shit up off of you before I pop lead. Know a bitch with pussy good as fuck, I only got head. They want switching up, only my real niggas got fed. Perkins at a raw ecstasy, come and cop meds. I beat your ass like Debo when he sock red. Pocket should not be on zero if you got legs. All facts, little nigga, that's the real truth. If you ain't active in that field, don't even play cause we'll kill you. Mama, I ain't fucking with the trap no more, but I still do. Work fresh up out the press, I got the plug for the pill food. Rockin' designer, bitch, you know I drip sauce. Cold hearted than the bitch, these hoes think I'm Jack Frost. Effin' in went through his chest and damn near took his back off. Ain't no need for me to stress cause I know I'ma have it all. I'm quick to pop it for no reason. I'ma send his ass to hell since he thinking he a demon. I was really hustling up in that cell, I was eating. Drop the low, catch him when he check the mail, left him leaking. My Glock tuck while mama giving me a lecture. Selling work after you stretch it, I'ma put you on a stretcher. I got 25 lighters and they sitting on my dresser. Smoking Zawa Auntie done got too high and had to help her. The trap booming and it's best you ignore that. I tell my neighbors it was just another DoorDash. You just hopped off the porch with your dork ass. Never had shit, and I'ma still rob his poor ass. No, I ain't broke, I'm just trying to get some more cash. We out hunting in your hood where that door at. Release them 7.62s and hit his thorax. No, I ain't finna get whooped, I'ma floor that.